Sunday, 1st of May. Not a particularly nice day today. Overcast, raining. No, doesn't seem to mind. Bond progress pretty good now. All sleep is in, painted. First set of stones and pebbles in place. Lights have gone in today. Not quite sure what they look like, but we'll put them on later and have a look. 6 new little baby koi carp gone in yesterday, so that'll increase the feed stock in there a bit. Some plants around the outside, trying to integrate a bit of colour as well. There's my gorilla, beautiful thing. A few plants going in around him, just trying to make it a bit brighter. So progress pretty good. Come on now.